In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate text on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, an infographic, or any other design, knowing how to efficiently duplicate text can significantly streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and break down the process step by step to make sure you can easily replicate your text elements. First, you want to start by selecting the text box you wish to duplicate. To do this, simply navigate to the specific text box on your canvas and click on it. You'll know it's selected because the entire box will be highlighted, making it clear that any actions you take will apply to this specific text box. Highlighting is a useful feature in Visme, as it visually confirms you're interacting with the right object. Once you have your text box selected, it's time to duplicate it. Visme offers a couple of straightforward methods to do this, depending on your preference. The first method is to use the duplicate button located in the toolbar. When your text box is selected, you'll notice the toolbar becomes active with various options, and among them is the duplicate button. Simply click on this button, and a copy of your text box will be created instantly. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Visme has made this process equally simple. For Windows users, you can use the combination of Ctrl+C to copy the text box and then Ctrl+V to paste it. Mac users can achieve the same result by pressing CMD+C followed by CMD+V. These keyboard shortcuts are a quick and efficient way to duplicate text without the need to navigate through the toolbar, especially useful if you're in the habit of using keyboard shortcuts for other tasks. Now that you've successfully duplicated your text box, the next step is to decide where you want to place the duplicate on your canvas. You can easily drag the new text box to your desired location. Simply click and hold the new text box and move it with your mouse. As you do so, Visme provides alignment and snap tools which are incredibly helpful for lining everything up neatly. These tools give you visual guidelines to help align elements in relation to each other, ensuring that your design maintains a professional appearance. Once your text is in place and aligned to your liking, you're all set. You've successfully duplicated and positioned your text box, ready to continue enhancing your Visme project. This process of duplication not only saves you time, but also helps maintain consistency across your designs. Remember, practicing these steps will make them second nature, boosting your efficiency in using Visme and enhancing your overall design workflow. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in learning how to duplicate text on Visme. Be sure to practice and utilize these tips in your next project. Have fun designing.